In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Trello 429 error, also known as the too many requests error. If you're suddenly locked out of actions, seeing warnings, or your board stops responding, don't panic. This does not mean your account is banned or suspended. It simply means Trello has temporarily limited activity because too many requests were made in a short period of time. In this guide, I'll explain why this happens and walk you step by step through how to fix it quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Trello troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's understand what the 429 error actually means. Trello has built-in rate limits to keep the platform stable for everyone. If a lot of activity happens at once, for example, heavy automation, multiple power-ups running together, or several integrations like Zapier or Discord firing at the same time, Trello temporarily pauses new requests. When that limit is reached, you'll see the 429 error message. It's basically Trello saying, slow down for a moment. Now, let's fix it. If you're using Trello normally, without heavy automation, the solution is usually very simple. Start by logging out of your Trello account completely. Next, close any extra Trello tabs you have open in your browser. Having multiple boards open at once can increase background requests. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. This removes stored session data that might be repeatedly sending requests. Once you've done that, wait about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives Trello enough time to reset your request limit. Then log back in and open just one board to test. In most standard cases, this alone solves the issue. If you're using Butler automation or third-party tools like Zapier, Make, or Discord integrations, then you'll need to dig a little deeper. The most common cause of repeated 429 errors is an automation loop. For example, when a card moves to a list, it triggers an update. That update then triggers another rule. That rule moves the card again, which restarts the process. This loop can generate dozens or even hundreds of actions in seconds. To fix this, go into your Butler settings and temporarily disable your automations. Turn them off one by one if needed. Then refresh your board and monitor activity. If the error disappears, you've confirmed that one of your rules was creating excessive activity. From there, edit the rule to prevent repeated triggers, or add conditions so it only runs once. Next, check your power-ups. If you have many enabled at the same time, especially ones that sync data externally, they can contribute to high request volume. Disable any power-ups you're not actively using and refresh the board. Another important factor is board size. Very large boards with thousands of cards can increase background processing, especially when filters, custom fields, or automation rules are active. If your board is extremely large, consider archiving old cards or splitting the workload into multiple boards to reduce strain. Here's the key thing to remember. The Trello 429 error is temporary. It usually clears within a few minutes, unless high activity continues. Trello is protecting system stability. It's not penalizing your account. So to quickly recap, log out, close extra tabs, clear cache, and wait a few minutes. If you use automation, check for loops and disable unnecessary rules. Reduce power-ups if needed. And if your board is massive, consider cleaning it up. Follow these steps and your Trello 429 error should be resolved fast. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips, fixes, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.